What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a dynamic or condenser microphone to your GN20. So now that we've got the gooseneck all set up, we can then attach the included mic clip so we can use any dynamic microphone with our setup. So to do that, we're just going to line up the threading here on the bottom of our mic clip to the threading here on top of our gooseneck. And then we're just gonna screw the mic clip on just like that. And once it's screwed on nice and tight, we can take any dynamic microphone and slide it onto the clip just like this. And now we have the dynamic microphone all set up so we can connect it to our mixer, interface, etc. Now we also have the option to attach a shock mount for a condenser microphone in case we want to use that type of mic with our setup. So to do that, I'm just going to take the shock mount here and line up the threading at the bottom to the threading here on top of the gooseneck, and then just screw the shock mount onto the gooseneck just like this. From here, we can level out our shock mount so we can slide our condenser microphone in. Then we can grab our condenser microphone and pinch on the sides of the shock mount to slide the mic through. And now our condenser mic is all set up to the gooseneck, but we can take our setup one step further by attaching a pop filter to our setup, since condenser microphones are way more sensitive than dynamic microphones. So to do that, I'm just gonna loosen up the clamp here on the bottom of my pop filter. And then once I have enough room, I'm gonna line it up to an open spot on my gooseneck, right about here. Then I'm gonna tighten up the clamp of the pop filter to lock it in. Then we can bring up the pop filter right up against the microphone, just like that. And now we have our condenser microphone ready to go for our setup. So now if we had a mic clip or shock mount that had a different kind of threading, like a 3/8 threading, you can actually remove the threading here on top of the gooseneck by unscrewing it like this. And this will reveal a 3/8 threading. So if you had a particular mic clip or shock mount that had that type of threading, you can just unscrew the original threading here, and from there you can attach the mic clip or the shock mount with the alternative threading. And whenever you wanted to reattach the original 5/8 threading, you can just screw it back onto the gooseneck like this. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up a dynamic or condenser microphone to your GN20. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.